Hey guys, another week, another video, and you have to subscribe to this one, and you will have to like this video. Just kidding. So here I have some chicken breast, which I had requested to be cut for strips, but now I wanted some cubes. So here I am cubing them. You know the Rico cubes there, they were free gifts. So here I'm washing the breast with some vinegar and water. Then it's time to marinate it. I'm starting with some salt, some vinegar, soy sauce, vegetable oil, curry powder, turmeric, paprika, black pepper, and then time to massage it. Then my match made in heaven, garlic and ginger. Then mix and put it in the fridge for about 1 hour, or you have time even overnight. Time to pan smear it in a very hot pan, but don't be like me here. I overcrowded, so it's like I was boiling, but I didn't like the result because I overcrowded the chicken pieces. They were supposed to turn golden brown, but they just cooked without turning golden brown because of overcrowding. After they were ready, I washed my pan. Then I went in with some unsalted butter, then I went in with my garlic, then I went in with some ketchup, some hot and sweet sauce, some honey for the sweetness. Then I went in some vinegar, some soy sauce, and then the chicken. And then I went in with the red and yellow capsicums, and I let the capsicums cook for about 2 minutes, and it was sweet. So that's it for this week's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and don't forget to share it with your friends. Yes, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.